Hey guys, welcome to Cryptalina channel, and today we continue to discuss what is going on the Bitcoin price chart right now. Don't forget to like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group, so let's get started. So today there will be a short update. I will show you a new trade and tell you my thoughts and goals on where the price of Bitcoin will go in the near future. So we move with you to the 4-hour time frame. As you remember, I showed you that I opened a new loan on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. I talked about this in my free Telegram chat. If you were subscribed to my free Telegram group, you would definitely not miss this trade. And I gave information on the trade on February 25. It's now in profit. And I remind you, if you want to receive such updates, be sure to subscribe to my Telegram channel and also write to me in private messages the word crypto, and you will receive daily future signals for the cryptocurrency market. So traders, let's move on to the 4-hour time frame. Once again, I repeat that I have a long position here. It's open at an average price of $23,239, and right now the price is $23,369. The position is now in profit. So far I don't move stop losses to break even. For now I won't do it. Why? Because I plan to buy this position if we go a little lower, and in the next few days I see that we will be walking inside the range, perhaps within these levels, and perhaps during the tightening we will make a test and approximately such a puncture of the level of $22,224. At these levels I will buy the position. At the moment my stop loss is lower than $21,300, below the first level on the Fibonacci grid. So why is the stop loss so low? It can also be placed for level 0.8 for $22,200, but I expect that there may be a squeeze. Therefore, visually I have a stop loss. I constantly monitor the charts. If something happens, I can manually close this position. So let's discuss goals that I expect for this long position. Note traders that we are currently in an expanding channel. So far we're going inside our structure. We have this line here, we made a false breakdown, and now we can retest this yellow line, go a little lower, go up, retest the support level, and already go to our goals. Why we should open a long position here? So there are several metrics that tell us that there is not enough one puncture up over the course of a few weeks, maybe even a month. Therefore, I expect that we can go to the collection of liquidity $31,000, and at the level of $27,000, $27,300 or $400, I will already begin to partially cover my positions. So this close will go all the way up to $31,000 if we manage to hit those targets. So these are my current goals. Of course, anything can happen. We can go down, we cannot implement the plan that we have, but my vision is this. Before a good correction, we can still make the final part of the pump, the final part of the growth, and after that, we can already go to the correction. The scenario is cancelled if we have a local breakdown of the trend, if the 4-hour time frame consolidates with a daily time frame lower than the local minimum. This is 20 at $1,298 approximately, and if we fix below this local low, then we are more likely to go to $17,000. So far, I'm optimistic about the price of Bitcoin and where the price will go next. Therefore, this long position is open with the given goals and expectations. And again, I say, if we go lower and update the local lows, then we will break the growth information that we now have on shorter time frames and go for it. And as you remember, we will need to correct this entire growth because we didn't correct it in any case. This will happen sometime, and in order to continue to grow globally, we need to correct this growth quite strongly, at least to $19,000. So I'm not saying yet that we will generally rewrite the lows that we formed at the $15,000 mark, but the fact that this movement needs to be globally corrected is true. Also, a lot of messages come about where to trade, where to take profit on the exchange, and I do this on 2 exchanges. The first one is the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange, and as you can see now, I have 2 positions open here. The first position is my long-term loan, and the second position is my short-term loan. All this can be done on the BYBIT cryptocurrency exchange. And if you want to open the same trades as I did, you should definitely register on BYBIT using my link, which will be in the description or in the first pinned comment. I will remind you once again that right now you can claim up to 5,000 bonus on BYBIT. All you have to do is make a registration and make your first deposit. If BYBIT is not available in your country, then you have a good alternative. It's BitGet. It's available for all users, and right now there is a spin like in wheel. You can win coin, artificial intelligence tokens, Messi's autograph t-shirt, and many other prizes. So follow the link in the description and get your bonuses. So traders, move to another time frame. Also for our time frame, it can be further extended to larger time frames, but let's see what happens on the 4-hour time frame. What is happening here? A fallen wedge was drawn here, which we have formed along these peaks. It was punched up. Look how perfect we came to the first support point, which was here, $22,600 and $22,400, the first zone from which we repelled, and we can expect further that we will test this area, and in general we are already testing it. We went into this area of the seller and start moving down locally from it. In any case, limit sell orders were accumulated in this zone. Here people mostly sold $23,500, $600, and therefore we are testing this zone in order to continue further growth. In addition to the fact that we cannot make an overlay, at least right here, in this zone we cannot make an overlay. If we see moves like this, the daily time frame fixation is lower than the previous local low and the withdrawal is higher the year after, so this may still mean that we have made an overlay and the structure is broken, and perhaps we can see such a picture in the future, but so far this hasn't happened, and I remind you that I am waiting for more final upward movement locally. So for now, I am looking forward to this move. This is the range of $27,000-$31,000, and some sort of trading in these ranges and a withdrawal higher by $28,000-$29,000 up to even $30,000, and after that I will expect a serious correction in the $19,000-$20,000 range. So let's also look at another chart. This is the support levels that I have here. These are also important local levels below which we cannot break through. If we break through it and fix above, then this is very good signal that we will grow. We are closely monitoring the levels of $22,655. Below this level we cannot fall, because if this happens we will go to $21,300, $21,200, and after that the $20,500 range will be significant support. If we go below this range, then we will generally go down $19,000, and those are pretty important levels. Also the levels of $32,000 is highlighted as a global level to which we can somehow come in the short term. So this was a short video review of what is happening in the cryptocurrency market right now. What do you think about this? Write your opinion in the comments. I hope you like this video and my update. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and my Telegram group. Don't forget to put comments with your opinion. Thank you for